Welcome to Easy Cooking with JUAN. And on today's recipe, we're going to have my delicious peach cobbler. And if you haven't had my peach cobbler, you better slap yourself. And these are the ingredients you will need. You will need cinnamon. You will need honey. You will need 1 stick of butter. You will need 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of white sugar, and of course the peaches, and some vanilla extract. And when I get everything in this pot, I'll be right back. I'm back. So I brought this to a boil and I let it boil for 10 minutes to let the sauce get thicker. But first I greased my baking dish with butter because I didn't have no Pam. So I greased it with butter. Then I put my pie crust in it. Then I poured my peaches inside of it. And once I get ready to put this in the oven, I'll be right back. I'm back. So I have cut my pie crust in my lattice form. And that's how it looks. And I put a little butter on top so it could be golden brown when it comes out. I use 4 cans of peaches, which is 15-ounce can each. And I'm going to put it in the oven for 60 minutes, which is 1 hour, on 375 degrees. And when it's done, I'll be right back to show you the finished product. I'm back to show y'all the finished product. I use 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. And this is the finished product of my delicious peach cobbler. Look at it, y'all. Golden brown, flaky. Oh, and it smells so delicious. And for more easy recipes from JUAN, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Tell the whole world what I'm doing in this fabulous kitchen each and every day.
I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it